Uncompressed video is digital video that either has never been compressed or was generated by decompressing previously compressed digital video. It is commonly used by video cameras, video recording devices, and in video processors that perform functions such as image resizing, image rotation and text and graphics overlay. It is conveyed over various types of baseband digital video interfaces, such as HDMI, DVI, DisplayPort and SDI. Some HD video cameras output uncompressed video, whereas others compress the video using a lossy compression method such as MPEG or H264. In the compression process, some of the video information is removed, which reduces the quality of the video when decompressed. When editing video, it is preferred to work with video that has never been compressed as this maintains the best possible quality, with compression performed after completion of editing. Characteristics: the lossless video has no compression artifacts. Currently there is no standardized lossless video file format except for HDMI, which uses the YCbCr and RGB formats listed below. This makes it necessary to store it best with a related description file about the used resolution and video mode. These files can be combined with lossless compression with the use of file archivers. Lossless video compression lossless video compression can be delivered with a variety of video codecs. In tests some codecs performed an average compression of over factor 3. Uncompressed video recording, setting up the camera is often new especially for DSLR users. The built-in video interface in cameras is mostly an HDMI or, in professional cameras, a serial digital interface. Converters between both are available. Uncompressed video recorder portable recorders are an easy, reliable and complete solution for receiving and storing uncompressed video. Partly they receive uncompressed video, but only record lossy compressed video, often in the lossy Apple ProRes 422 or DNx HD codecs. Professional recorders support multiple channels of uncompressed HDMI, DVI or SDI recording, but are limited by the total data rate. Recording to a computer recording to a computer enables low-cost to highest performance solutions for laptop or desktop computers, but the computer should be prepared as it must act like a real-time operating system. Any other significant program activity including background processes, for example not needed Windows startup processes or Windows services, including automatic updates or virus scanners, may disrupt, distort or stop the video recording. Disconnection of not needed computer networks and increasing the process priority of the recording real-time process often helps to use most of the computer speed. Hard disk drives have to be fast solid-state drives and or RAID to be capable of the data rate of HD videos and or multiple channels. Video capture interface, HDMI, DVI and HD/SDI inputs are available as PCI Express or Express card, USB 3.0 and Thunderbolt interface also for 2160p. Wireless video interface most wireless interfaces like wireless LAN, WiDi, wireless home digital interface, can be used to transmit uncompressed digital video, but only with low resolutions, as even 1920x 1080p at 24 Hz requires 1.2 Gbps data rate exceeding for example IEEE 802.11 AC. The wireless HD interface, however, which uses a 60 GHz wireless link, can transmit uncompressed digital video. The Wireless Gigabit Alliance also aims to use a 60 GHz wireless link. However, any disruption or bandwidth decrease of the wireless connection will reduce quality, or even stop the video recording. Uncompressed video recording software. Software for uncompressed video is often supplied with suitable hardware or available for free, injects. Storage and data rates for uncompressed video, constant bitrate formula, uncompressed data rate equals color depths vertical resolution horizontal resolution refresh frequency, examples, 24-bit at 1080i at 60 fps, 24 x 1920 x 1080 x 60 over 2 equals 1.49 Gbps. 24-bit at 1080p at 60 fps, 24 x 1920 x 1080 x 60 equals 2.98 Gbps. The storage and data rates for the widely used YCBCR422 chroma subsampling uncompressed video are listed below. 525 NTSC uncompressed, 8-bit at 720x486 at 29.97 fps equals 20 megabytes per second, or 70 gigabytes per hour. 10-bit at 720x486 at 29.97 fps equals 27 megabytes per second, or 94 gigabytes per hour. 625 PAL uncompressed, 8-bit at 720x576 at 25 fps equals 20 megabytes per second, or 70 gigabytes per hour. 10-bit at 720x576 at 25 fps equals 26 megabytes per second, or 93 gigabytes per hour. 720 PHD-TV uncompressed, 8-bit at 1280x720 at 59.94 fps equals 105 megabytes per second, or 370 gigabytes per hour. 10-bit at 1280x720 at 59.94 fps equals 140 megabytes per second, or 494 gigabytes per hour. 1080i and 1080 PHD-TV uncompressed, 8-bit at 1920x1080 at 24 fps equals 95 megabytes per second, or 334 gigabytes per hour. 10-bit at 1920x1080 at 24 fps equals 127 megabytes per second, or 445 gigabytes per hour. 8-bit at 1920x1080 at 25 fps equals 99 megabytes per second, or 348 gigabytes per hour. 10-bit at 1920x1080 at 25 fps equals 132 megabytes per second, or 463 gigabytes per hour. 8-bit at 1920x1080 at 29.97 fps equals 119 megabytes per second, or 417 gigabytes per hour. 10-bit at 1920x1080 at 29.97 fps equals 158 megabytes per second, or 556 gigabytes per hour. 1080i and 1080 PHD-TV RGB uncompressed, 10-bit at 1280x720p at 60 fps equals 211 megabytes per second, or 742 gigabytes per hour. 10-bit at 1920x1080 at 24 fps equals 190 megabytes per second, or 667 gigabytes per hour. 10-bit at 1920x1080 at 50i equals 198 megabytes per second, or 695 gigabytes per hour. 10-bit at 1920x1080 at 60i equals 237 megabytes per second, or 834 gigabytes per hour. HDMI specifications, according to HDMI 1.3 spec. Detailed timing is found in CA861D or a later version of CA861 for the following video format timings. HDMI 2.0 supports higher resolutions, which are defined in CA861F. Cameras mostly use the progressive segmented frame format. For example, a 25p/30p progressive scan is transported in a 50i/60i interlaced format respectively, but with identical information, no deinterlacing should be used. Primary video format timings, a Euro 640 cents x 480p at 59.94/60 Hz, a Euro 1280 cents x 720p at 59.94/60 Hz, a Euro 1920 cents x 1080i at 59.94/60 Hz, a Euro 720 cents x 480p at 59.94/60 Hz, a Euro 720 cents, 1440, x 480i at 59.94/60 Hz, a Euro 1280 cents x 720p at 50 Hz, a Euro 1920 cents x 1080i at 50 Hz, a Euro 720 cents x 576p at 50 Hz, a Euro 720 cents, 1440, x 576i at 50 Hz. Secondary video format timings, a Euro 720 cents, 1440, x 240p at 59.94/60 Hz, a Euro 2880 cents x 480i at 59.94/60 Hz, €, 2880 cents x 240p at 59.94/60 Hz, €, 1440 cents x 480p at 59.94/60 Hz, €, 1920 cents x 1080p at 59.94/60 Hz, €, 720 cents, 1440, x 288p at 50 Hz, €, 2880 cents x 576i at 50 Hz, €, 2880 cents x 288p at 50 Hz, €, 1440 cents x 576p at 50 Hz, €, 1920 cents x 1080p at 50 Hz, €, 1920 cents x 1080p at 23.98/24 Hz, €, 1920 cents x 1080p at 25 Hz, €, 1920 cents x 1080p at 29.97/30 Hz, €, 2880 cents x 480p at 59.94/60 Hz, €, 2880 cents x 576p at 50 Hz, €, 1920 cents x 1080i at 50 Hz, €, 720 cents, 1440, x 480i at 119.88/120 Hz, €, 720 cents x 480p at 119.88/120 Hz, €, 1920 cents x 1080i at 119.88/120 Hz, €, 1280 cents x 720p at 119.88/120 Hz, €, 720 cents, 1440, x 480i at 239.76/240 Hz, €, 720 cents. x 480p at 239.76/240 Hz, €, 720 cents, 1440, x 576i at 100 Hz, €, 720 cents x 576p at 100 Hz, €, 1920 cents x 1080i at 100 Hz, €, 1280 cents x 720p at 100 Hz, €, 720 cents, 1440, x 576i at 200 Hz, €, 720 cents x 576p at 200 Hz, pixel encodings and color depth. There are three different pixel encodings that may be sent across an HDMI cable: YCbCr444, YCbCr422 and RGB444. There are four color depths supported: 24, 30, 36 and 48 bits per pixel. In HDMI 2.0, it is possible to transmit 420 chroma subsampling, but only in 4K 50 and 4K 60 resolution. See also, list of video cameras supporting a RAW format, data compression, Nikon X-Speed video processor, uncompressed audio, DPX and MXF files are used in professional video file systems. TIFF files are used in AV and professional video file systems. References. External links: Video Bitrate Calculator for it, Uncompressed Digital Video Creative Planet Network, Uncompressed vs Compressed Video Creative Planet Network, Master Guide to Rigging a Nikon D800 or D800E for Video Wolfcrow.